How to add a Google search bar to your home screen on Samsung. Adding a Google search bar to your home screen on your Samsung device is a fairly simple process. In order to do this, you have to make sure to have the Google app installed or the Chrome app installed. Now once you've done that, just make sure to long press on a certain empty space on your home screen, then go to widgets. Now from widgets, of course, we want to simply search for Google. Now you can also use Chrome, but Chrome's search bar is not really that functional, so I would recommend you select Google's search bar instead. Scroll down and search for the Google app, and here you can tap on it, and here you can see the search bar. Just drag and drop this to an empty space on your home screen, and now you can see we have the search bar. We can long press on it to go to its settings, and we can increase or decrease the transparency as per your needs over here. That's all for this video. If you have got any further questions, so feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.